Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Welcome to my channel English Fun with Sham. Dear viewers, the topic I have chosen for today's video is 25 action words or verbs. But before we proceed, let's discuss what are action verbs. An action verb is used to describe a physical or mental action that a person or thing is doing. For example, running, playing, sleeping, eating. Number 1, running. It means dorna. The boy is running. Number 2, crawling. Crawling means reengna. As you can see in the picture, a cute baby is crawling. Number 3, sleeping. Sleeping means sona. The little child is sleeping on the floor. Number 4, sneezing. Sneezing means chinkna. The cold weather has made me sneeze. Number 5, riding means savari karna. A boy is riding a bicycle. Number 6, shouting. Shouting means chillana. The boss is shouting badly in the office. Number 7, swimming means tairna. The baby is swimming in the swimming pool and is happy. Number 8, hopping. Hopping means phudakna. A bird is hopping in the sky. Number 9, crying. It means rona. The girl is crying on her failure in the exam. Number 10, climbing means pahad charna. A child is climbing a mountain. Number 11, brushing means daant saaf karna. A lady is brushing her teeth in the morning. Number 12, skipping. It means rassa koodna. A cute girl is skipping in the garden. Number 13, cooking means khana pakana. A chef is cooking some delicious food in a restaurant. Number 14, fighting, which means ladai karna. Two boys are fighting for nothing. Number 15, pushing. Pushing means dhakelna. Why are you pushing the door so forcibly? Number 16, dancing means raqs karna. The ladies were dancing in the party overnight. Number 17, laughing means hansna. All the friends were laughing and enjoying their get-together. Number 18, driving means gaadi chalana. The driver is driving the car on a rushy road. Number 19, smiling. Smiling means muskurana. The girl is smiling at her friends. Number 20, yawning means jamai lena. The child wants to sleep and so he is yawning. 21, shopping. Shopping means kharidari karna. The kids are enjoying their shopping with their parents. 22, studying. Studying means padhai karna. All the students are studying together. 23. Watching. Watching means देखना. The family members were watching a movie on TV. 24. Playing. खेलना. The friends were playing some games together in the garden. And number 25, sweeping means jharu lagana. The lady was sweeping her floor in the afternoon. So dear viewers, as you watched and listened, I have shared the use of 25 important action verbs in English language. So please do mention in the comments the action word you liked the best. We'll be waiting for your comments. Stay blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.